Parlance service is a replacement for the Nuance Speech Attendant. And for anyone who is moving from Nuance Speech Attendant to the Parlance service, they should expect to have better performance than they've had in the past. One of the key reasons in Parlance being able to deliver on that better service is what we build around the speech engine to ensure that our performance is better than what you'd experience with just the speech engine and a directory plugged in by itself. And that is that service differentiation that actually takes responsibility for requests that someone might make for something that's not there. Our team looks at those, analyzes those over time, and then helps work with the customer to build out what's missing so that performance improves over time. And not just, again, in the first 30 days or 90 days, but years down the road, our team is still participating in that service, owning the performance of that solution, and ensuring that those callers are getting the best experience they can when they're calling into our solution.